Good morning. Today we'll be discussing human resource management. The concept of human resource is new. Initially during industrial revolution, when organized sectors were evolving and people were working within an organization uh, in a coordinated manner or trying to work in a coordinated manner, at that point the concept of human resource was not there. During that period, humans are treated as other capitals like land, labor, or even livestock. The meaning is that humans are not valued as they should have been. After that, after research and after understanding the behavior and psychology of human beings, people started understanding that no, humans are different than other capitals. Okay, humans have feelings, humans have emotions, and every individual, every human being is different. His need, his dreams, his values, his working speed is different. You cannot compare a human being with another animal. Okay, you cannot compare human beings with cows or sheep. Okay, so after evolution of understanding human beings and understanding human behavior, the concept of human resource management came into existence. Human resource management means management of humans in an organization, management of manpower in an organization. Human resource management is huge. The concept of human resource management is huge. It starts from recruitment of individuals, training of individuals, welfare of individuals, to each and every seeing that whether the needs of the humans are satisfied within the organization. Okay, so the concept of human resource management is not only limited to providing human beings with salary or providing human beings with training, but the concept of human resource management means the overall welfare and the overall satisfaction of a human being. Okay, so human resource management is concerned with the human beings in an organization. The management of a man is a very important and challenging job because of the dynamic nature of the people. Dynamic nature of the people means people are different. People, their work culture is different. Their behavior is different. Every individual is different. Okay, no two people are similar, and people are also responsive. They feel, they think, they have emotions. So all these things have defined and developed human resource management. So now what is the nature of human resource management? Human resource management is a management function that helps managers to recruit, select, train and develop members of an organization. See, the thing about human resource management is that human resource management is not only limited to the human resource department of an organization. हर संगठन के ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, एचआर डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं, बट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज द ओनली फंक्शन इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच इज़ नॉट लिमिटेड टू ए सर्टेन डिपार्टमेंट, जो एक सर्टेन डिपार्टमेंट में लिमिटेड नहीं है. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट मस्ट बी फॉलोड and must be established in each and every department of an organization. ठीक है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट फॉलो करने का जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इट इज़ नॉट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ओनली द HR डिपार्टमेंट, बट इट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू फॉलो इट. ठीक है, तो HRM is concerned with people's dimensions in an organization. So what are the nature of HRM? HRM involves the application of management functions and principles. It is the application of management functions and principles. Okay, the functions and principles are applying, acquiring, developing, maintaining, providing remuneration to employees in an organization. It starts from development of an individual, to acquire an individual, to development of an individual. Acquire an individual मतलब उसका रिक्रूटमेंट करना, उसको डेवलप करना, मतलब उसको ट्रेनिंग करना, उसको मेंटेन करना, मतलब उसको रखना ताकि वो 2 दिन के बाद तीसरे दिन नौकरी छोड़ के नहीं चला जाए, और उसको रिम्यूनरेशन प्रोवाइड करना उसके काम के लिए. तो इट एवरीथिंग इज अंडर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. Now there are certain decisions relating to the employees must be integrated. There are some certain things where employee can work as a, all the employees can work as one with a unity. Okay, so decisions made influence of an effective organization. HRM functions are not confined to business establishment only, but applicable to non-business organizations also, such as education, healthcare, recreation and like. Human resource management कोई एक ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं है, ठीक है, जो फॉलो करना होता है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट मीन्स बेसिकली हाउ ह्यूमंस शुड बी ट्रीटेड, ओके, व्हेन दे आर वर्किंग, नॉट ओनली इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बट अदरवाइज. ओके, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स में भी फॉलो होते हैं, स्कूल्स में भी फॉलो होते हैं, ठीक है, एंड इवन सोसाइटीज़ एंड इवन आपके अलग अलग जो भी डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, अलग अलग जो भी फील्ड्स हैं, स्पोर्ट्स, in everywhere human resource management is followed. Okay, so now there is one more term we will be discussing, that is personal management. Okay, so human resource management का जो इसके पहला जो वर्सन है, इसका जो पुराना वर्सन है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट. पर्सनल मीन ह्यूमन्स, ठीक है, पर्सनल मीन्स पर्सन्स, ठीक है. So what is the difference between personal management and human resource management? First we will try to understand what is personal management. Personal management is concerned with people at work and their relationships with each other. It may be defined as a set of programs, functions and activities aimed at achieving both personal and organizational goals. Personal and personal are different things. Personal means related to individuals, related to people. और पर्सनल, PERSONAL, पर्सनल मीन्स खुद का, ठीक है. दिस इज माई पर्सनल लैपटॉप, ये मेरा लैपटॉप है, पर्सनल है, खुद का है. एंड पर्सनल मीन PRSONNEL मीन्स रिलेटेड टू इंडिविजुअल्स. ओके, सो पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में there are a lot of differences, but there is one specific and very critical difference is personal management treats or tries to treat every individual as same. Okay, the objective, the approach of personal management is each and every individual working in an organization is same or similar. Okay, personal management is लिमिटेड टू पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंट. पर्सनल मैनेजमेंट के कुछ स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स होते हैं, रेगुलेशंस होते हैं जो फॉलो होता है कि अच्छा आदमी को छुट्टी देना चाहिए, आदमी को ये प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, आदमी को बोनस प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, आदमी को ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए, एंड दैट्स इट. इट इज़ सर्टेन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस व्हिच आर इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन व्हिच आर फॉलोड. बट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में एवरी पर्सन इज नॉट ट्रीटेड एज सेम. Rather than every person is treated as one individual, because human resource management believes that every person is different. How their needs, their behavior, their emotions, their work culture, their work style is different. So this is one of the main difference between human resource management and personal management. Personal management treats every human the same. There are certain rules and regulations which a personal department follows, और वो लॉज, लेबर लॉज के हिसाब से क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होते हैं वो फॉलो होता है, ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेबर लॉज, और वर्किंग कंडीशंस क्या होना चाहिए और जो बेसिक रूल्स हैं. बट ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज़ मोर डाइवर्स. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में लोगों का इमोशंस, लोगों के बिहेवियर का ख्याल रखा जाता है, उसको समझा जाता है, और उस हिसाब से उन लोगों को कोशिश किया जाता है कि how to make an individual's life better in an organization. Okay, the human resource management is the updated version of personal management. We will be discussing certain features of personal management. First is achievement of goals through effective use of human resource. So personal management mainly focuses on achievement of goals rather than welfare of the human individuals. Personal management का focus क्या होता है कि how to achieve the organizational goals. Okay, so and human resource management का prime objective is how to understand and help humans to develop and to function effectively. Second is focus on people at work, both individual as a group. Fair policies and programs, how to implement policies, how to implement programs. That is the feature of personal management. To take care of people at work through welfare programs and to pave their way for healthy relations between unions. So basically the understanding is in personal management there are certain rules and regulations which are to be followed in order to, so that which are according to the based on law, so that people are provided whatever they need. Okay, in personal management the thinking is that. In human resource management is that no, only those providing whatever requirement is there, that is only not enough. You need to understand the human beings and you need to help them work efficiently, and every individual is different and their needs and requirements are different. Okay, so personal management is a traditional approach of managing people. It is traditional approach. It is mainly concerned with, as I said, in personal department. Human resource management is more of a modern approach. Okay, personal management is a routine function. Human resource management is a strategic function. Personal management is limited to a certain department, but human resource management is throughout the department, throughout the organization, and it is a strategic approach. Means it's more of a strategy rather than a function. Okay, so every employee is treated as same in personal management and measured through a common yardstick. In human resource management every person is considered different, not different in caste or creed or religion, but different as needs, different as their feelings and emotions. In personal management efficient management is priority. Okay, जो नियम कानून है सब फॉलो हो रहा है कि नहीं ठीक से, दैट इज़ द प्रायोरिटी. जो जिसको क्या मिलना है नहीं मिलना है, छुट्टी ठीक से असाइन हो रहा है कि नहीं, ठीक है, दिस थिंग्स आर प्रायोरिटी. And in human resource management, human values and individual needs are given more priority. Personal management is a control oriented. Control oriented means it is basically how to control people, and human resource management is development oriented. It means that how to develop people and how to enhance their efficiency. So it is the basic difference between human resource management and personal management. Okay, thank you.